Hello, my lovely kids. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter from our student book, chapter number 15, Planet Roll Call. So, children, let's begin. Children, do you know the names of all the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Yes, children, you have to rearrange the letters to get the names of some planets. Okay, this is for you. You have to write the names of the planets. Okay, children, all the 9 planets in our solar system are important. All of them play a major role in the creation of the solar system. Yes, children, let us read this poem. It's about the solar system. 9 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here number 1, closest planet to the sun. Venus, here number 2, shining bright just like new. Earth, here number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here number 4, red and ready to explore. So children, this poem is about the solar system. Yes, and according to their number, their names are given. Here, first number stands for the Mercury. Yes, Mercury is the first planet and it is closest planet to the sun. Second is Venus and it is shining bright just like new. Then third one is Earth. Earth is home to you and me. Yes, we live on the Earth. Mars, number 4, it is red and ready to explore. Yes, it is red in color and it is ready to explore. Jupiter, here number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. Saturn, here number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here number 7, a planet tilt high in heaven. Neptune, here number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. Pluto, here number 9, the smallest and the last in line. So children, which is the number 5 planet? Jupiter. Yes, can you see Jupiter here in this picture? Yes, it's the largest planet. Yes. Saturn, number 6, with ring of dust and ice that mix. Can you see? Yes, around the Saturn there are some rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus is the 7th planet. A planet tilt high in heaven. It is very far and it is high in heaven. Neptune is number 8 with one dark spot whose size is great. Yes, on that planet there are some dark spots whose size is very great, means so big. And the last planet is Pluto. It's the smallest planet and it is the last in the line. Can you see here, children? Children, did you know this poem was written when Pluto was still called a planet? It is no longer listed as planet. So children, this poem is written when Pluto was the planet. Now Pluto is not the part of the solar system because it is not visible. Yes, it is lost somewhere in the solar system. So now children, there are total 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, there are total 8 planets now. Children, everyone open your grammar magic book. We are going to study chapter number 33, words with more than one meaning. So children, there are many words in English who are having same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meaning. Such words are known as homonyms. Yes. For example, the word bank. So children, this everyone know bank. It means a place where you keep your money. Yes, we keep our money in bank. Second one, it also means the side of a river. So children, the side of the river of a river is also called bank, bank of river. Yes, you have heard about this word. Yes. So children, have you find both the spelling are same, but the meaning are different. So bank is the homonyms word. Yes. Next one, fair. To be very just and impartial. So what is the meaning of fair, children? To be very just and impartial. So children, we should be fair with all our classmates. Yes, when we are distributing chocolates, we are giving to everyone in the class. So we are doing the fair job. Yes, we are giving chocolates to everyone. So it is called fair. Another meaning for fair is a place where you go to have fun. Yes. Match, a game played between teams. It is called match. Something you see to light a fire. Another meaning for match is, children, this one, matchbox. And it is also called match. Blind, not being able to see. Yes, it is called blind man, who is not able to see. Another meaning for blind is a kind of curtain. Yes, children, have you seen this type of curtain in some hotels or in some office? Yes, these are also called blind. It's a kind of curtain. Ring, a piece of jewelry that you wear on your finger. Yes, it's also called ring. Yes, we are wearing ring in our finger. Yes, and another meaning for ring is the sound a telephone or a bell makes. It is also called ring. Yes, have you heard when the telephone rings? Yes, so that is the meaning of ring. The sound a telephone or a bell makes. It is called ring. Now long, lengthy. So children, when something is very long or lengthy, it is called long. To want something badly. Yes, when we want something very badly, when we wish for something, it is also called long. Shed, a shelter for an animal or a vehicle. Yes, shed is called a shelter for an animal. Yes, cow live in a shed. Yes, so it's a place for animal or a vehicle. To let something fall. Second, suit, a formal dress. Yes, it is also called suit. To seem good. Yes, when something suit in us, some dress, we say it suits you. Yes, we are saying dress suits you. It's also called suit. Understood, children? Watch, something that tells you the time. Yes, it is called watch. Another word for look. Yes, so children, watch is another word for look. You can also say like this, watch this. Yes, so it's another word for look. Top, a position above something else. So children, when someone is working in the office, yes, in the companies, and that person is in the top. It is called a position above something. Yes, that person is having very good position in the company, or we can say top position in the company. It is called top. And another word for top is a toy. Yes, this everyone know, you might have played with this. Then mean, to suggest something. Nasty, yes, when some person behave very badly, it's also called nasty. Now children, let us solve exercise A. Use the words to have just read to fill in the blanks. In these pairs of sentences, one has been done for you. So children, everyone open the page number 113. First one, the guard keeps a watch over the house at night. Your watch is very colorful. So both the meaning are different, children. The guard keeps a watch. Yes, when guard keeps a watch over the house at night. Yes. Second, what do you dash by this answer? What do you mean by this answer? My neighbor is very mean-minded. Third one, the old lady is blind from birth. Pull the blind down over the window. Both are having different meanings. See children, the old lady is blind. She can't see. And here, pull the blind. For instance, pull the blind curtain down over the window. Fourth one, the peon will dash the school bell at 9 o'clock. The peon will ring the school bell. Yes. Look at that diamond ring on her finger. Yes, both the meaning are different. This is finger ring and this is bell ring. Yes. Fifth one, there will be a cricket match at the stadium next Tuesday. The priest lit the lamp with a match. Sixth, Mohan wore a new brown suit at the wedding. The weather in Canada seems to suit you very well. Seventh, put your book on top of the pile on the table. He is an expert at spinning the top. Yes, children, here also both the sentences are having different meaning. Here, put your book on top of the file on the table. Yes, and here in this, he is an expert at spinning the top. Yes. 8.1. This story is too long. I long to go on a holiday to Kerala. Yes. 9th one. Many trees shed their leaves in autumn. The farmer built a shed for his animals. 10th one. We wanted to go to the fair, but it was raining. My mother is very fair about distributing chocolates between my sister and me. So children, now everyone understood the meanings? Yes? Now everyone write, children, with the good handwriting. Children, now it's the homework time. Draw the picture of solar system in your notebook and color it beautifully. Okay? And then you can label the names also. Okay, children? You have to write the names of the planets also. And then exercise number A, it is given in the page number 113. Yes, from the grammar book. Okay? The fill in the blanks just now we have done. You have to write the answer with the correct spelling. Okay? Till then, goodbye and take care.